Hi, my name's Anne from Motormatch Chester, and today I'll be taking you around one of our used cars for sale, which is this Toyota RAV4 XL 4-wheel drive with a 2.5 litre petrol hybrid engine and automatic transmission. This 2018 vehicle comes in a stunning Barcelona Red colour from 3 previous owners, and it boasts 55,412 miles on the clock. The vehicle's LED headlights, daytime running lights and front fog lights ensure you're seen at all hours of the day, and the car sits on these stunning 18-inch alloy wheels for a fantastic look. This vehicle does come with front and rear parking sensors as well as a rear view camera, making it easier to squeeze into any tighter parking spaces, and it does boast a powered tailgate, which is great for when your hands are full. Moving into the boot itself now, as you can see, it provides a great amount of storage space, and you do have the option of folding the rear seats for any larger items if you wish to do so. Into the rear seats themselves now, they're finished in a full leather upholstery. We have seating for 3 people here with the centre armrest and both end seats, including Isofix child seat preparation. Moving into the driver's side of the car now, we have the front seats, which have been designed with side bolsters to provide excellent comfort on those longer journeys, and they can be heated, which is great for the winter months. The multifunctional steering wheel provides the driver with access to controls such as volume adjustment and the telephone controls, and you do also have a lever located behind the wheel for the cruise control and speed limiter, which is great for motorway driving. Taking a look up behind the wheel now, you'll find the exact mileage, and you can flick between functions such as your current audio source. And then moving over now to the main media screen. On this media screen is where you have access to your entertainment options, so you have the choice of the FM, AM and DAB radio wavebands with a variety of preloaded radio stations to choose from. However, you can connect devices via Bluetooth, aux and USB to listen to your own music. You can use that Bluetooth function to connect your mobile to make and take phone calls whilst out on the go with ease. And you do also have your Toyota Online here as well. This vehicle does come with satellite navigation, making it easier to reach your chosen destination. And from here you can plan routes, save addresses and locate nearby points of interest for a smoother journey. You can make any adjustments to your general settings in the Setup tab here. And then by popping the car into reverse, it will bring up the display like so for your rear view camera, alerting you of any obstructions when manoeuvring. Either side of this screen is where you'll find all your controls for the media system, and then moving down now just below there is where you'll find your controls for your dual zone climate control, ensuring the internal temperature is perfect for you and your passengers all year round. Moving down just below there is where you'll find your ports for connecting devices, so you have your aux port, USB port 12V socket, as well as your different driving mode buttons and your buttons for your heated front seats. Moving down just below there is where you'll find a cup holder, and then moving back you have your automatic gear selector. Next to that you'll find your manual handbrake, and you do also have another cup holder located just next to there. Your armrest does also open like so for storage of any loose items. Thank you for watching this walkthrough video of the Toyota RAV4 XL 4-wheel drive, and if you'd like any more information on this vehicle, please contact our sales team here at Motormatch Chester.